how to add your school cover image to your online school. Now you have cover images for your school, so school cover images, and you have course cover images. Now they're two slightly different ones. So obviously the school banner image is the top image that somebody sees when they come to your online school, like this one you see here up on the website. The course banner image is exactly the same. It's a banner that is at the top of the landing page of each specific online course. So you're going to want to have a different banner for your overall school as to what you might have for your overall different individual courses. So how can you do this? Well, one way is to get yourself a graphic designer, but if you're on a shoestring budget, you can do this yourself. And now there's lots and lots of image creation tools out there. One of the simplest and most well-known is canva.com. Canva. So here's an example of what Canva looks like. So now depending on the theme that you're using for your online school, because each of the online schools have different themes, and even within Thinkific itself, there's multiple different themes that you can be picking from, and each of those different themes do have different sized header images. So when you do go into the area where you can choose your header image, do make sure that you click the link to the Thinkific guidelines as to each of the different image sizes. I will include a link below as well, just with that link back to that blog article for you. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to go into canva.com, and first of all you're going to click use custom images. Now the most common image size for the different themes inside Thinkific at the moment is 1440 by 400, so you just type those sizes in here and you press design. Now what this will do is bring you up a blank template in the right size, so that if you create your design in these dimensions, you know that it's going to best fit the school. Now one of the things you need to be aware of here is the fact that Thinkific is mobile responsive, one of its benefits. When it comes to your images, however, this can cause you problems, because you need to be aware of the fact that when somebody views this on a desktop, it will be nice and wide. You'll see the whole thing like you do, sorry, up here. However, one of the things you do need to be aware of is when someone watches that on an iPad or a mobile phone, that image will be cut and shortened so that it fits into that viewer. So you need to try and make sure that you keep this banner image very simple. You want to make sure that you're not going to have anything that's going to cut off or make it look bad when it's cut off. So you need to be thinking very carefully about what goes on this, and try and keep things as central as you can, so that when it is cut in, it's not going to cause you any problems. So using Canva is quite simple. You do have images that are set in the system here that you can go and find. I don't know if I just put ball, press search, and it will bring up a load of images that you can use. There's lots of free ones, and there's some stuff that you can pay for as well. Now, if you have access to stock images, you can actually come to the uploads, and you can upload all of your own stock images here as well, and drag those over and into. So you can really be really flexible with this. If I wanted to use this particular logo here, you just click on it, you can drag it, move it around. You can also add in text headings. You can have some of these preset different types of text functions as well. But essentially all you're going to do is, when you've made your design, and there's lots of YouTube videos out there on how to use Canva, you can simply come up here to give it a name, name 1, and then come up here and press download. Now when it comes to Thinkific, I've personally found that when it's a JPEG, it uploads quicker and easier. The PNGs do tend to be a little bit higher and bigger in size, so it can be a bit of a slow upload process. So I'll let you decide which one, but I normally go for JPEG and then press download. Now once I've done that, then I can go back into my online school over here. I can go to the main dashboard in my Thinkific school and click on branding. Inside this section here, this is where you can choose that landing page banner. Quite simply press change, and from there you can upload your particular banner, and voila, it will then be up on your main school. So that's how you upload and create your own school banner image for your Thinkific platform.